Hi guys, let's make these peppermint flavored mandazis. To a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and an 1/8 cup of chopped fresh mint leaves. Mix that together until the mint leaves release their juices. To that, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together until they are well combined. If you're using self-rising flour, do not add the baking powder. In another bowl, beat 1 large egg and then add a 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted margarine. Mix that together until they are well combined and set that aside. Create a well at the middle of the dry ingredients and add the egg mixture. Mix that to combine until you get a shaggy dough. Dust the work surface and transfer the dough to the surface. Knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's well kneaded. You can keep adding flour as needed as you knead the dough. Once the dough is fully kneaded, mold it to form a ball and then return it to the mixing bowl. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 minutes, transfer the dough to a dusted surface and roll it out to form a rectangle. Roll it to your desired thickness. The thicker the dough will be, the thicker the mandazis will be, like the meat on the inside of the mandazis will be thicker. Once it's fully rolled out, cut the dough using a pizza cutter or a sharp knife to your desired shape and size of mandazis. Transfer them to a plate and then head to the stove top. Heat your oil until it's hot and then add the mandazis to the oil. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on the bottom side and then flip them to cook on the other side. Once they are cooked, transfer to a bowl lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Do the same to all the remaining mandazis until they are all cooked. If you like this video, kindly consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you for being here. Be careful because the oil is really hot and can easily burn you. Make sure you're cooking the mandazis on low heat so that they don't cook on the outside before the inside fully cooks. Now that we are done, let's check them out. They are really beautiful and really golden brown. As you can see, the mandazis are really soft, moist and delicious. Look at that. These mandazis go well with any beverage of your choice. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.